Hi, welcome back to Auntie Knows Kitchen. Now today we're going to be making some homemade Southern style grandmama mashed potatoes. No, not the ones you pour out the box or get them out of the little tin can. No, we talking about potatoes that have come from the ground. And we're going to be using Yukon Gold potatoes because they're soft and mellow and they're just great. But if you can't get Yukon potatoes, get the potatoes that you like. You know, make it your own. So, but I'll be right back and we're going to get to cooking. All right. I have already prepared my Yukon Gold potatoes. And you know, the thing about Yukon Gold, you see the color of them? That, you know, they have that yellow color to them, and they're so easy to slice. I have my water already boiling, coming to a boil. Woo. And I'm gonna just get these in and not try to give myself third-degree burns. You know what I mean? Be easier, mother's not trying to get second, third, no kind of burn. Okay, I'm gonna boil these, and no, I'm not adding salt to the water because I'm gonna add salt when we prep them, you know, so we can get all this goodness. So I'll be back once these potatoes get done, and we'll get back to mash. We'll get to mashing and getting all the goodness together to make these good old Southern style mashed potatoes that'll make you slap your mama or your daddy. But this is a warning, they may slap you back. You never get too old to get slapped, you know, by grandmama and mama. We'll be back in a bit. Hey guys, so the potatoes are coming along nicely. What I want to show you, the reason why when I do mashed potatoes, I slice them like this instead of cubing them, because they cook quicker. That's why. See, they're fork tender, so I'm just waiting on them to get very soft. But that's the reason why they're sliced like this, because they cook faster this way. So gonna let these finish cooking, and we'll be back together again. Hi, we're back to cooking now. The potatoes are done. You see, they're so soft. So I'm going to pour them out and drain them, and we're going to get to mashing. We had to come to the other side because that side's hot. Okay, got the potatoes, they're all nice and hot. Get my little masher here. Auntie's gotta go. I didn't put my masher back. Where did I put the masher at? Hold on, guys. 1 second. I'm back and I'm in business. Get these all mashed up. See, this is how you want them cooked, to where they're so easy to mash and they're soft. And I've got some butter. I'm putting in here. I sliced the butter because it's easier to get all well blended. This is a whole stick of butter. I'm mashing all of that in there. Oh, I can smell that butter. Now you can add sour cream and chives and cheese to this. You can add garlic to these potatoes. You can make them your own little style, but these are going to be just straight old-fashioned down-home mashed potatoes. Nothing out of the ordinary. That's all these are going to be. Straight mashed potatoes. I'm going to add some salt. I'm using sea salt. Gonna add some black pepper. I'm using the ground black pepper. I'm not using the coarse. You know, I love black pepper. It shows, don't it? It shows, doesn't it? And I'm going to add get me a little cup here. And I'm going to add just a little bit of milk. I'm using lactate. I'm using lactate 1%. And this is a 1/4 cup. Little housekeeping over there. See how creamy they are? Look at it. See, this is what you're looking for. Look at the creaminess of them. And here you have it. Grandma's mashed potatoes. And I'm going to get them in a bowl. And I'm going to put them in this bowl. Now, don't try to lick the camera now. I know they look good because they looking good to me. They look better than the box. They taste better than the box. And here they are. Put a little packed butter in there. It looks so delicious. Let me get you a better view. Here they are, guys. The finished product. From start to finish. Homemade mashed potatoes. So you'll love these. You know, it does take, it takes some effort, and you got to peel the potatoes or get one of those handy dandy electric peelers like I have to make it easier. You try these, make your own mashed potatoes. You may never pick up another box of instant. So until the next recipe, enjoy. Go be great. Thank you for all of your support. I really appreciate it. Like and subscribe. There are still more good things to come out of Auntie Knows Kitchen. Go be great.